Ni hao, viewers. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey aboard the Ningbo to Taizhou train, uncovering hidden gems and fascinating facts along the way. Join me as we explore the heart of Zhejiang Province. Introduction to Ningbo. Ningbo, a bustling port city known for its rich history and vibrant culture, serves as the starting point for our railway adventure. From ancient temples to modern skyscrapers, Ningbo offers a glimpse into China's past and present. Boarding the train. As we board the Ningbo to Taizhou train, we're greeted by the hustle and bustle of passengers preparing for their journey. The train's sleek design and modern amenities promise a comfortable ride through the picturesque landscapes of Zhejiang. Cultural heritage. Did you know that Zhejiang Province is home to a rich cultural heritage? From the ancient water towns of Zhejiang and Wuzhen to the historic temples and pagodas scattered throughout the region, there's no shortage of cultural treasures to discover along the Ningbo to Taizhou route. Hidden gems. Beyond its well-known attractions, the Ningbo to Taizhou train route passes by several hidden gems waiting to be explored. From tranquil lakes and scenic parks to local markets and street food stalls, there's something for everyone to enjoy along the way. Railway history. To learn more about the history of rail travel in Zhejiang Province, we're stopping by the Ningbo Railway Museum. Here, visitors can explore vintage locomotives, historic photographs, and interactive exhibits that trace the evolution of China's railway system. Environmental conservation. Efforts are underway to promote environmental conservation along the Ningbo to Taizhou railway route, including tree planting initiatives, waste reduction programs, and wildlife protection projects. By embracing sustainable practices, the railway aims to preserve the natural beauty of Zhejiang for future generations. Community connections. At every station along the Ningbo to Taizhou route, we encounter friendly faces and warm hospitality. Whether it's sharing a cup of tea with vendors on the platform or chatting with fellow passengers about their travel experiences, the sense of community on Chinese trains is truly heartwarming. Industrial hubs. The Ningbo to Taizhou train route connects two major industrial hubs in Zhejiang Province, facilitating the transportation of goods and materials between manufacturing centers. From textiles and electronics to automotive parts and machinery, the railway plays a crucial role in supporting the region's economic growth and development. Traditional crafts. Zhejiang Province is renowned for its traditional crafts and artisanal skills, many of which have been passed down through generations. Along the Ningbo to Taizhou route, passengers can witness craftsmen at work, producing exquisite silk fabrics, delicate ceramics, and intricate wood carvings that reflect the rich cultural heritage of the region. Tea culture. Tea plays a central role in Zhejiang's culture and history, with the province being one of China's major tea-producing regions. As we journey from Ningbo to Taizhou, passengers can learn about the art of tea cultivation, processing, and brewing, experiencing firsthand the rituals and customs associated with this beloved beverage. Maritime legacy. Both Ningbo and Taizhou have deep maritime roots, with a long history of seafaring and trade. Along the railway route, passengers can discover remnants of ancient ports, maritime museums, and coastal landmarks that speak to the region's maritime legacy and seafaring traditions. Healthcare accessibility. The Ningbo to Taizhou train route provides essential connectivity for residents seeking access to healthcare services. With hospitals and medical facilities located in both cities, the railway ensures that patients can easily travel for medical appointments, treatments, and specialist care. Cultural festivals. Throughout the year, Ningbo and Taizhou come alive with vibrant cultural festivals and celebrations that showcase the region's artistic talents and cultural diversity. From colorful dragon boat races to traditional lantern festivals, passengers traveling along the railway route have the opportunity to immerse themselves in the festive spirit of Zhejiang. Technological innovation. Zhejiang Province is at the forefront of technological innovation, with thriving tech industries and research institutions driving progress and development. Along the Ningbo to Taizhou route, passengers can catch glimpses of high-tech parks, innovation centers, and cutting-edge infrastructure that reflect China's commitment to innovation and technology. Eco-tourism initiatives. In recent years, ecotourism initiatives have gained momentum in Zhejiang, with a focus on preserving natural habitats and promoting sustainable tourism practices. Along the Ningbo to Taizhou railway route, passengers can participate in eco-friendly tours, nature walks, and conservation activities that contribute to the protection of the region's biodiversity. Rural revitalization. Rural revitalization efforts are underway in Zhejiang Province, aimed at improving living standards and infrastructure in rural communities along the Ningbo to Taizhou railway route. Through initiatives such as agritourism, heritage conservation, and community-based projects, these efforts seek to preserve the rural way of life while fostering sustainable development. Cross-cultural exchange. The Ningbo to Taizhou train route serves as a crossroads of cultures, bringing together people from different backgrounds and regions. Whether it's exchanging stories, sharing meals, or learning about each other's traditions, passengers on this railway journey have the opportunity to connect with fellow travelers and embrace the spirit of cultural exchange. Literary heritage. Zhejiang Province has inspired countless writers and poets throughout history, with its scenic beauty and rich cultural tapestry serving as a muse for literary creativity. Along the Ningbo to Taizhou route, passengers can learn about the works of famous authors and poets who found inspiration in the landscapes and traditions of the region. Traditional medicine. Traditional Chinese medicine has deep roots in Zhejiang Province, with many practitioners and herbalists calling the region home. Along the Ningbo to Taizhou route, passengers can learn about traditional healing practices, herbal remedies, and the holistic approach to health and wellness that has been passed down through generations. Buddhist heritage. Buddhism has played a significant role in shaping the cultural landscape of Zhejiang Province, with many ancient temples and monasteries dotting the countryside along the Ningbo to Taizhou route. Passengers can explore these sacred sites, marvel at the architecture, and learn about the teachings of Buddhism that continue to resonate in the region. Indigenous cultures. Zhejiang Province is home to several indigenous ethnic groups, each with its own unique traditions, languages, and customs. Along the Ningbo to Taizhou route, passengers can experience the rich cultural heritage of these communities, from colorful festivals and ceremonies to traditional handicrafts and cuisines. Calligraphy tradition. Calligraphy holds a special place in Chinese culture, revered for its beauty, elegance, and expressive power. Along the Ningbo to Taizhou route, passengers can admire the work of master calligraphers, visit calligraphy studios, and even try their hand at this ancient art form under the guidance of skilled practitioners. Ming Dynasty heritage. During the Ming Dynasty, Zhejiang Province flourished as a center of culture, commerce, and innovation. Along the Ningbo to Taizhou route, passengers can visit Ming-era landmarks such as ancient city walls, grand temples, and stately gardens, marveling at the architectural splendor and cultural legacy of this golden age. Philanthropic initiatives. Zhejiang Province is home to many philanthropic individuals and organizations that are dedicated to giving back to society and supporting the less fortunate. Along the Ningbo to Taizhou route, passengers can learn about charitable initiatives, community outreach programs, and social welfare projects that are making a positive impact on the lives of local residents. As our journey aboard the Ningbo to Taizhou train comes to an end, I'm filled with gratitude for the unforgettable experiences and memories shared along the way. From the scenic beauty of Zhejiang's countryside to the warmth of its people, this railway journey has been nothing short of magical. Until next time, Zhejiang and happy travels.